Namaskar, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Sometime back I made a video on how to create delicious recipes using the leftover food. Not only did you all appreciate it, but you also enthusiastically shared some fantastic recipes in the comments that were completely new to me. And that's when it struck me. Why not try out these recipes and share them with rest of our viewers? I've also made just minor changes in the recipes according to my taste. While there were many recipes in the comments, today I'm going to share 7 of them that are made from leftover rice and rotis. But before I start the video, I want to sincerely thank all of you for staying connected with this channel over the years and for sharing amazing tips, recipes, hacks and valuable information and experiences with us. Please keep enriching us with your experiences. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the recipes using leftover rice. The first recipe is rice and potato tikki or cutlets shared by Diksha Kothari. To make rice potato tikki, you will need 2 boiled potatoes which need to be mashed. Next, add finely chopped vegetables such as onions, bell peppers, carrots, green chilies and a little bit of finely chopped coriander leaves. Then add 1 cup of leftover rice. Season with salt, cumin seeds, red chili powder and black pepper powder and mix everything well. Once mixed, you will have a dough-like mixture. Now make small balls out of this mixture and gently flatten them to shape into tikkis. Now you can either shallow fry them or air fry them with minimal oil. And there you have it. Delicious and crispy rice potato tikkis are ready. I tried this recipe for the first time and it turned out to be incredibly tasty and crispy. Next, we will make a very interesting recipe, rice pakoras shared by Nilesh T and Ankita Chalkar. For this, take some sliced onions and add finely chopped coriander leaves, green chilies and a cup of leftover rice. Then add 3 to 4 spoons of besan. Along with this, add salt, a pinch of ajwain, jeera, turmeric powder, red chili powder and a little bit of garam masala. Mix everything well. Next, add 2 to 3 spoons of curd to make a thick batter. Now simply form small balls from this mixture and deep fry them in oil. And there you have it. Quick, delicious and crispy rice pakoras ready to serve. I found this to be a fantastic and quick recipe and the taste was amazing. Now let's look at some recipes you can make with leftover rotis. If you have some leftover rotis, you can quickly make roti churma. This recipe was shared by Kamini Jain and Azlan Khan. Simply cut the rotis into small pieces and grind them in a grinder. Then add sugar or jaggery powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and mix everything well. That's it, your roti churma is ready. You can also add dry fruits and nuts if you like. This is a great alternative if you're craving a dessert after a meal. The next recipe is incredibly delicious and was a big hit with everyone at my home, and that is roti chaat or bhel shared by Creative Hub. Take 2 or 3 rotis, roll them up and cut them into thin slices. We have to make roti chips, and to make them crispy, you can either deep fry them in oil or air fry them in air fryer. Once fried, they will become nicely crispy. Now take them in a bowl and break them into smaller pieces. Add chopped onions, green chilies, tomatoes, cucumber and boiled potatoes. If you add some roasted peanuts, it will enhance the taste even more. Next, season with salt, chaat masala and a little bit of lemon juice. Mix everything well. You can also add coriander chutney or tamarind chutney if you like. And there you have it, a super tasty chaat or bhel made from leftover rotis. When serving, top it with some save and chopped coriander leaves to further enhance the flavor of this chaat. Everyone must try this recipe. Next, we will make roti pad thai noodles, and the recipe was shared by Megha Shah. Take 2 or 3 rotis and cut them into thin slices resembling noodles. For the noodles, you can use your favorite vegetables like sliced onions, cabbage, carrots and bell peppers. In a pan or kadhai, add a little oil and saute the sliced onions and bell peppers. After a quick saute, add the cabbage and carrots and cook them well. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce and salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly and then add the roti noodles. Mix it all together nicely. You can also add a bit of vinegar if you like. And there you have it. Tasty and healthy roti noodles are ready. Believe me, I tried this recipe for the first time and it tasted yum. You can serve this healthy version to kids instead of regular maida noodles. Next, we have a great breakfast option, and the recipe was shared by Sandhya Nodagala and Actual Angel. If you have leftover rotis from the previous day, you can prepare upma for breakfast. Start by cutting the rotis into small pieces. In a pan, heat some ghee and add mustard seeds, roasted gram, dried red chilies, chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Saute them lightly and then add sliced onions, sauteing until the onions become translucent. Make sure not to brown them. Add a bit of turmeric, red chili powder and salt. Mix everything well, then add the chopped roti pieces and mix thoroughly again. Optionally, you can add some lemon juice for extra flavor. Finally, sprinkle roasted peanuts on top. And there you have it. Your healthy and tasty breakfast is ready, Roti Upma. Finally, let's make roti pakoras, and the idea was shared by Deepika Puri. Take 2 rotis, roll them together and cut them into thin slices from the side so that they form rolls resembling jalebis. Alternatively, you can also cut the rotis normally. In a bowl, mix some besan with a little curd, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and a pinch of ajwain. Add a little water to prepare a semi-thick batter. Dip the roti pieces into the batter and deep fry them until crispy. And delicious tea time snacks made from leftover rotis ready. Serve these pakoras with green chutney and tamarind chutney. With the rainy season upon us, this is the perfect snack to enjoy. That's it for today's video. These were some great recipes using leftover rice and rotis. A big thank you to all the subscribers who shared these recipes with us. We received many more recipes in the comments, but it wasn't possible to showcase all of them in one video. If you enjoyed this video, I will definitely try to make a second part. If you have any new and interesting recipes using leftover food, please share them in the comments. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. See you all next week. Until then, happy cooking from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.